Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and in today's video I will be installing my wig. Hmm. Alright, so in my last video I showed y'all how I bleach the knots to my new wig from Isee Hair. Ooh, it's upside down. That's great. So in this video I will just be installing it. I don't know if I'm either gonna do a voiceover or I'm gonna let y'all just see how I do it, but please continue to watch, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Hey also my phone died, but basically we gotta fix it up. But this is how, like, I did the hot comb method. Put it right here. Y'all, I did not have to pluck, like, I didn't have to pluck. But I'm not gonna wet it now. In my next video you'll see it wet. But I used this. Put it right here. Yo, look at my part. Like, what? I did this? Hold up. Nah, but for real, this is how I install my wig. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. So please continue to subscribe, comment, like, and I'll see you really soon. Bye, guys.